Hi, this is Hayden Cardiff here for another 60 Seconds of Safety. Today, I want to dive into driver retention. Obviously, this is a huge topic, and one of the most important things fleets can do today to help improve their driver retention is be able to better implement driver onboarding and integration techniques. Obviously, there's a huge difference between orientation and onboarding. So making sure that you can reduce the amount of turnover, which vast majority of that happens in the first 90 days. So being able to help engage your drivers within that first 6 months of onboarding that driver onto your fleet is so critical. So having a solution and a process in place to have consistency in those touch points, trying to get to one touch point every week to 2 weeks is really, really critical, especially early on. And also making sure that the things that those driver managers or other safety professionals are saying to those drivers within those checkpoints are consistent and scalable, making sure that they're talking about expectations that were set during recruiting, talking about how their operations are running within their daily jobs, but also talking about personal information. And then more importantly, using that system to follow up on answers that that driver has given you along the way to be able to have a very tailored and specific response to future questions or future engagements without spending an exorbitant amount of time from your driver manager, because obviously time is so precious for them. So obviously this is a huge, huge key to be able to help engage that driver, make them feel like they're being watched after and not watched over, and really connect with your culture as a fleet. So this tip and so many more are all a part of the Idelic Driver Retention Toolkit, which is the ultimate resource to reduce driver turnover. This is linked in the description, so please check that out, download it. You will get access to all of the white papers, videos, webinars, blogs, all of the case studies and content that we have to offer around driver retention, all the tips and tricks to make sure that you and your fleet are as successful as possible will all be there. So please check that out, download that, and start to implement that today. Thank you again. This has been another 60 Seconds of Safety.